panelist for today's season 3, episode 1, CA Ravi Patidar ji, and his use case is on creation of VBA code for renaming files and folders in a single click. So over to you, Ravi sir.
Sir, you are on mute.
Hello everyone, I am C. Ravi Patidar. I am presenting my user case on VBA codes for changing of file name and folder name in a single click. Just wait, I am sharing my screen. Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, it's visible now.
Yeah. So the problem statement is that we do use Genius software for ITR related compliances. This software allows us to compile ITR related document in one place. However, we do face challenges when we have to share the document with clients. So the issue is that Genius software generate folder and files with a complicated names from the point of view of the client. So we have to rename each file as per the nature, which take valuable time and sometimes increases inefficiencies in document management. So the solution opted to address inefficiency in the managing ITR related document. We have developed an automated macro enabled Excel workbook that streamline the process of renaming, compressing, management, and sharing of these files with the client. VBA based this tool eliminate manual intervention, ensuring a seamless workflow from file management to the client communication. We have used ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Claude AI for the creation of VBA codes. So now I will continue my presentation with the functionality of the use case. So I have created total 6 number of VBA codes. So first one is that update links. So what it does, it asks the user to select the root folder. Then it lists down the name of the file and subfolder of the root folder in column A. Then it shows the destination of the that particular folder in column B. Then it creates a hyperlink to open that particular folder or file in column C, and it shows the file extension in column A. Let me showcase. Suppose I have selected this root folder, and there are 4 folders in it. So it will scan all these 4 folders and all the sub files, sub folders of these particular folders. So it has listed down all these folders and files in a single click. I'm deleting some of the files that is hidden by me. So the next macro is generate new name. Actually, the issue is that whenever we export the files and income tax related documents from the Genius software, it shows some unique name, that is the PAN number, then ITR doc, and the year. But the end user doesn't know what is it and which item denotes to which particular item. So again, so we have developed so we have to change that particular name. So the change new name macro works. It reads the older name of the file and folders and generate a new name in prescribed format, and then it adds the financial year and the assessment year as a suffix to the file name. Let me execute the macro. Generate new. So here these are the all older names which are mentioned in the column A. Then in the column D, it has renamed as per my specification and generated a new name in a single click. Then the third case is change name. What it does, it opens the hyperlink as mentioned in the column C. So if I will click here, it will open the root folder. So it has opened that particular folder. Then it memorizes the older names and also memorize the new names. Then when it opens that hyperlink, it will search the older name file and replace with the new name files. So now I will execute the macro, that is the change name macro. Change name macro. So at the background, all the name has been changed and the status has been duly updated in the column. So let me check. All the folder names has been duly updated. and even the file name has been duly updated. In the first folder, I have kept only 3 files. So the macro also understand this is the computation of income, this is the ITR acknowledgement, this is the ITR form. In the second folder, I have kept total 6 files. So it again understand it. This is the AIS, which file is the TIS. This is like how it works. Then the ultimate issue is we have to share all this data with the client. So whenever I will compose an email, I have to select all these 4 folders differently and attach all these files. So this also take time. So I have what I want. I want to convert all these 4 folders into zip file or a rare file in a single click. So again, I have created a fourth macro. What it does, the tool prompt user to select a root folder containing subfolders. It automatically detects all subfolders within the root directory. It converts each subfolder into individual zip or rare file format without impacting the original folder structure and document hierarchy. So let me convert all the folder. When I'm executing convert folder to zip macro, it's asking me to select a root folder. Again, I have selected the root folder. With a single click, it's asking me to overwrite the existing rare files. I'm clicking on yes. Then it's just converted all these 4 folder into rare format in just 2.33 seconds. So let me check. All the folder has been duly converted into zip format. Then finally, I have to send the email to the my client. So again, I have given the prompts to the ChatGPT and DeepSeek that I'm having everything with me, but I want to send email in a just single click from my Excel sheet. I don't want to open anything. So they have write the code, entire code, and it's opening my browser, Google Chrome browser. Then it's composing my mail with the entire details. Everything is I have already given the sender receiver email or the this template to the chat gpt in earlier while writing the VBA code. Generally I don't use this template. So here I can just directly select the files and share with send the email to the customer. So yeah, here I can select either the uh, file or the zip file directly, and I can send the email directly to the customer. So this is actually I do use a different template which is here, but the macro has written a different template based email for me. Yeah, so I got the email from the customer. So this is how I have created some rule-based formulas, rule-based VBA codes for automation of my some of the daily routine basic tasks, which consumes a lot of time of me and my team. So this is all about from my side. I'm open for the questions. If you have anyone, please let me know. Thank you. And thank you, jury. Thank you, panelists, for giving me an opportunity to share my use case on this hackathon. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. I think one of the common problems in the firms is sending off ITRV computation on a regular basis to our client. And yes, this is a nice solution that could address that problem. So thank you very much. Uh, I think it was a very nice hackathon. All the use cases presented were very relevant, especially for the practicing professionals, right? So I thank each one of you for being a participant.